Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to do some baking. I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender to make a grain-free gingerbread. We love baking with the Vibe blender. It's quick and easy, less dishes, more time. They're all good things. I've started by soaking these almonds in some room temperature water for a couple of hours just to soften and to activate, which is always a really good idea. If you want to know more about that process, then check out the blog online. I've also got the oven preheating to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. I'm going to drain and rinse off these almonds now and get them straight into the Vibe blender. Add 2 cups of whole activated almonds to the blender jug and pulse 4 to 5 times to crush. Then you can add the remaining ingredients. Add 4 eggs, half a cup of honey, 200 grams of raw pumpkin cut into small pieces, 1 packed cup of chopped cooking dates, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 2 heaped teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 2 heaped teaspoons of powdered ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil or melted butter, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of salt. Insert the tamp into the blender lid. Then blend on nut mode for around 20 seconds, using the tamp to push the ingredients down into the blades. Pour it straight into a prepared loaf tin, sprinkle some extra chia seeds over the top, and then bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. So my gingerbread is out of the oven now. It's still warm, which is just the way I like it. Put some butter on it and enjoy it for morning tea, afternoon tea. It's really great if you want something sweet, but you want to keep it a bit healthy as well. Give this one a go for yourself at home. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us and we'll be back soon with another video.